Okay, so contrary motion is the first skill we should study because you can apply everything else after that to contrary motion. Contrary motion is going to help you tremendously because what it does is it forces our brain to split in half, and we need to pay attention to each hand independently, simultaneously. It's great, great, great practice. Now, I'll show you first in C what it is, and then we'll talk about it. So you could do this in 2 octaves and in 4. I'll start with 2. So, what did I just do if you didn't catch it? What you do is, and the fingering sort of matters a little bit too, you're going to go up an octave. So we're going to stick to 2 octaves. You're going to go up an octave. When you go to the first octave, you need to make sure that your thumb is on this in the right hand because you're going to continue to go up to a second octave. If you put your pinky here, then you can't really go up to the second without doing something like this, which is not the smoothest sounding, okay? So treat it, you're going up 2 octaves first in the right hand, and you're going up 1 octave and then down in the left hand. You get here, and you go up and then down. Okay, so make sure you know that first it's 1 octave, and then 2 octaves for the right. Now, when you get here, you're going to go down 1 octave and then back up in the right hand and then go up 2 octaves in the left. So now, you're going to switch your fingering to 2 octaves for the left hand and 1 for the right. So. Then from here, you're going to do the same thing, 1 octave in the right and 2 in the left, but this time the left is going to go completely down and the right's going to go back down and up. And then, to conclude, we're going to go down 2 octaves and then up and down in the left. Okay? So, let's talk about it another way. Think about it as going up, then splitting, then coming back, then up together, then down together, then splitting, come back together, conclude home together. Now, if we're doing 4 octaves, it's the same thing, but everything is going to be in 2 octaves instead of 1. So I'll show you in A. And if you really want to learn this, I mean really get it inside of you, don't look at your hands. So once you get used to it, if you start taking your eyes away and really just start feeling it in your hands, it'll really, really take you up to the next notch. And then you'll be able to So you can practice every single scale in contrary motion, and I would highly recommend that you do.